Most MIG welders sold online are underpowered junk that overheats and fails after a few uses. A wrong pick wastes cash and leaves you chasing burned joints and broken leads. Ever struggled to pick a machine that actually sticks to duty without breaking the bank? Relax, this video will guide you to the right MIG welder without the guesswork. Today, I'm going to be going over the best MIG welder that you can get right now. All of the products mentioned are linked in the description, so check them out if you're interested in any of them. With that, let's begin. At number 5, we have the ARCCAPTAIN 35A. From the outset, this welder targets hobbyists and DIY fabricators seeking portability and versatility with its dual voltage capability. The initial impression suggests a tool that balances ease of use with enough power to tackle common home metalworking tasks. The audience for this model includes beginners needing arc stability and experienced users who appreciate a compact yet capable design. Build quality emerges through a sturdy metal chassis and deliberate weight distribution that supports stable welding on varied surfaces. Dimensions and ergonomics are tuned for single-person operation with a comfortable handle and accessible controls. The unit emphasizes a low profile and manageable weight, helping it sit neatly on crowded benches. A standout feature is the adjustable amperage range, delivering a clean arc across typical MIG thicknesses. Hot start and arc force assistance improve ignition reliability when starting welds on thin sheet metal. The wire feed system proves smooth and consistent, easing spatter control and bead uniformity during practice runs. In practical testing, bead quality remains steady as settings matched material and shielding gas flowed correctly. During longer sessions, the machine demonstrated a good duty cycle, staying cool and maintaining stable performance. Another practical advantage is straightforward setup for Flux Core welding when gas is unavailable. In a direct comparison to the Hobart Handler 135, the ARCCAPTAIN scores higher for portability and steadier start. The pros include excellent portability, solid build quality, and good value. The cons include limited amperage headroom for thick metals and no integrated spool gun. At number 4, we have the YESWELDER 35A. This model offers a max current of 135 amperes, making it capable of handling light to moderate metalwork without strain. It weighs manageable for its class and ships with essential accessories, signaling value-oriented design for home garages and schools. The external shell uses sturdy metal construction with a compact footprint and a comfortable carry handle for on-the-go use. Knobs and indicators feel sturdy, and the duty cycle approach appears tailored for regular practice rather than occasional light welding tasks. The unit ships with simple ground clamp, electrode holder, and cable assembly, and supports Flux Core wire without requiring heavy upgrades. It uses a basic inverter design that maintains a stable arc at moderate travel speeds, reducing operator fatigue during longer sessions. It accepts standard 1/8 and 3/16 inch wires and uses a consistent wire feed mechanism that minimizes jams under continuous use. Cooling relies on a compact heatsink with passive airflow, keeping noise low and temperature stable during long welds. In real-world tests, it produced clean beads with minimal slag and showed consistent arc stability across multiple thicknesses and setups. Setup time is quick with intuitive knobs and a straightforward polarity swap, allowing smooth transitions between MIG and Flux Core operations. Compared to the Hobart Handler 140, this YESWELDER offers similar arc stability at a friendlier price point. The pros include affordability, lightweight design, and solid build quality that together empower hobbyists to achieve reliable results with minimal effort. Cons include a modest duty cycle under continuous heavy use and a limited amperage range that constrains thicker metal welding. At number 3, we have the Bestarc MIG145. Right out of the box, this welder presents a compact, approachable package designed to empower hobbyists and small shop projects without sacrificing capability. Its premium brushed aluminum shell exudes durability while maintaining a sleek profile that remains robust in daily welding tasks and transport. Weighing 13.7 pounds, the Bestarc welder remains highly portable for on-site use and casual home projects alike. Synergic control blends IGBT inverter technology with automatic voltage and wire feed matching, letting users fine-tune current without guesswork. 4-in-1 operation covers solid MIG, gasless Flux Core MIG, lift TIG, and stick welding for diverse projects. Maximum output reaches 145 amps, supporting solid ER70S6 and Flux Core E70TGS wires. Dual voltage supports 110-volt and 220-volt mains, automatically identifying input while displaying status on the front panel. Solid MIG yields clean beads on stainless and carbon steel, while Flux Core mode enables stable outdoor welding without shielding gas. The kit includes a MIG torch, earth clamp, stick holder, 2 reels of wire, tips, rollers, hose, adapter, strap, and manual. Built-in safety safeguards guard against overload, short circuit, and overheating, ensuring reliable operation during long sessions and demanding joints. In practical testing, the synergy of control and multi-mode capability produce stable arcs across thicknesses, with consistent beads and minimal spatter. Compared to a typical entry-level Hobart handler, the Bestarc welder offers greater versatility with 4-in-1 capability and lighter portability. The pros include lightweight portability, versatile 4-in-1 capability, quick setup, and synergic auto matching that simplifies beginners and benefits professionals alike. The cons include a learning curve for mastering the synergic controls and a modest accessory set that could use expansion in future releases. At number 2, we have the YESWELDER 135A. This budget-friendly tool targets hobbyists and light-duty shops by offering versatile 3-in-1 welding capability at a highly approachable price. Engineers designed this compact unit to blend portability with durability for on-site and home workshop use every day. The rugged housing and integrated carrying handle provide a sturdy feel that withstands regular field use and rough transport. Weighing about 11.4 pounds, this machine balances compact size with enough heft to feel durable during operation. The ergonomic carrying handle and compact frame simplify loading, unloading, and maneuvering between job sites and your shop. 3-in-1 capability includes MIG Flux Core, stick welding, and lift TIG compatibility with an optional torch. It accepts commonly used Flux Core wire sizes commonly sold in 2-pound spools at 30,000th and 35,000th inch diameters. Automatic voltage compensation and protective circuits guard against electrical surges, overloads, and overheating, preserving both weld quality and machine longevity. In practical testing, the machine delivered stable arcs across courses and produced clean beads on mild steel with Flux Core on quick setups. Users appreciate the silent operation and quick arc start, even when adjusting amperage with the synergic control to dial in heat. Overall performance remains solid for home shops and hobbyists, offering reliable consistency, modest duty cycles, and straightforward maintenance. Compared to a typical entry-level Hobart Handler 140, YESWELDER 135A offers similar multi-process versatility at friendlier price. The pros include budget-friendly price, lightweight portability, and 3-in-1 versatility. The cons include limited amperage and Flux Core bead aesthetics. At number 1, we have the ARCCAPTAIN 165A. The ARCCAPTAIN 165 amp welder showcases a premium brushed aluminum shell that feels exceptionally durable in heavy daily use. Its weight remains manageable, under 30 pounds, enabling easy transport to job sites and quick setup on busy days. Its user interface emphasizes simplicity with clear dials and safe start arc control, appealing to beginners while not alienating seasoned welders. The chassis sits compact yet sturdy, with reinforced corners and a compact profile that fits on crowded benches without obstructing nearby tools. The ARCCAPTAIN 165 amp welder provides adjustable voltage and current with smooth control for consistent arc starts. The duty cycle remains respectable for its class during typical light to mid-duty workloads, allowing longer sessions without overheating or reduced performance. Its dual-process capability covers MIG and Flux Core welding, while adjustable wire feed speed ensures consistent welds across diverse materials. In field tests, arc stability and ease of use shine on mild steel while remaining forgiving to new welders. When testing with protective gas, the weld showed clean beads and minimal slag buildup across common thicknesses. This unit maintains a steady duty cycle during longer sessions when ventilation is adequate, reducing the risk of overheating. The unit also supports a broad range of wire feed speeds, enabling precise tuning for different thicknesses and applications. In terms of price to performance, the ARCCAPTAIN offers competitive value for hobbyists and small shop owners. Compared with the Hobart Handler 190, the ARCCAPTAIN feels lighter and more beginner-friendly, though it lags on heavy aluminum. The pros include solid build quality, great value, and beginner-friendly operation. The cons include limited aluminum welding performance and lower long-term reliability.